Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is April, and today I'm gonna be giving y'all this last minute. I know I'm late. Listen, I didn't know people wanted this video, but here we go. But this is a Valentine's Day eye makeup look. It's a 2-in-1, so before you see this look, you're gonna see another look. Well, it's the same look except for without the glitter. So if you want to see this look, keep watching. Okay, like always, we're gonna start with prime your face. I had to cut my benefit in half because I was out. It's like a little bit in here, but we're gonna get this little bit out of here. Guarantee you that. Then we're gonna start with the eyebrows. You know, I always use the Anastasia dipbrow, and take my spoolie and handle these browns. I'm gonna take this makeup brush, this eyeshadow brush. It's ready for your eyeshadow, but it helps me blend out this on my eyes better. And then I'm gonna take my Morphe palette in W35W. And I'm gonna take this brown color right here, and I'm gonna put that all over. And then next I'm gonna take my Morphe palette in 35B, and I'm gonna take this pink, this like hot pink color right here, and I'm gonna take this other like kind of flat but not really. And my bad, y'all. I'm gonna come back to my first palette, and I'm gonna use, girl, what I'm gonna use? I'm gonna use this right at the top. And I'm gonna take this flat hair brush, and I'm gonna dip that in there. And here's the first eye. So now I'm gonna work on my second. Okay, and next I'm gonna take these lashes. I'm gonna leave them in the link. I'm gonna leave them in the description below, who I got them from. And I'm gonna put some mascara on my lashes, and then I'm gonna put some glue on the lash so they can get tacky while I'm doing that. Okay, and while my lashes are getting tacky, I'm gonna work on my face. So I've been trying to, I bought this new Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and I got the color in chestnut. Now the first color that I had got, it was the one that's deeper than this one, and it was too dark. So then I'm like, okay, well I need to go lighter. So then I got chestnut, and I don't know, we're gonna try this again though. My Airspun loose face setting powder, and I'm gonna use this little flat hair brush. And of course I had to add some more glue to my lashes. I always forget about my lashes. I don't know why I be doing it. But now we're gonna contour. I always use this contour palette and my handy dandy contour brush. I take my fluffy brush and I'm gonna powder my whole face. And then for lips, simple, because you're gonna be eating and you're gonna be doing whatever else you're doing on Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna take my NYX butter gloss. And I'm gonna take some NK Juicy Watermelon lip gloss and add it on top. Y'all, let me see. Okay, so I have oily skin. Like, I have to blot my face. the whole time I got on makeup. Whenever I don't have makeup, I still gotta blot my face all day, like every few minutes, because I'm just that oily. I'm a grease ball. Like, you can fry some chicken with the grease on my face. But I usually use the MAC 6 Plus. Trash. This right here, baby, this right here, the Black Radiance Matte Setting Spray. If you got oily skin, please get you some, because I wore this the other day. Well, I put this on the other day when I went to my daughter's party. So I had that makeup on 8+ hours, and I didn't have to blot my face not once. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Not once. Okay? Get you some. So I'm gonna spray this on my face. I'm gonna go back to this palette, and I'm gonna take this little white color and, girl, give me a brush. Give me a brush. I'm gonna just take in a little brush and put this in my tear ducts. And then we gon', ooh, what? I don't wear it. Still finished. Oh, look. Real simple, real cute. You're gonna be cute. Your man gonna be looking at you across the dinner table like, I got a bad one. I got a bad one. Okay? So I think I'm gonna give y'all a 2-in-1. I think we should add some glitter to this if you want a little pizzazz on it. Even though you're already doing a lot with the pink, it can be extra. So I have this NYX Liquid Crystal Liner glitter. It's like a glitter, but it's like a liner. So I think we're gonna put this in like, okay, this way. And boom, honey. You ain't got a man, you gonna get you a man. Okay. So this is the second look. So I gave y'all a 2-in-1 video.